Good morning, students. Welcome back to social science class. Today we are going to learn about human evolution. Here you are going to learn more and origins of humans and different stages of human evolution, and also going to more about the stone implements of the prehistoric humans and how the uses of fire and wheel for the survival, and also more know the significance of rock painting of the ancient humans. Let's go backward and see how our past was. According to the archaeologist, the earth evolved before 460 crores years ago. Along with the all living beings start to evolve, the human beings start to walk before 20 lakhs years ago, and the human evolution grows is gradually, and to reach this present stage it takes more than 3 million years. The story of human evolution can be significantly studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. Anthropology is the study of human and evolutionary history. The word anthropology is derived from the two Greek words. Anthropos means man and human, and log means thought or reasons. Anthropologists attempt by investigating the whole range of human development and behavior to achieve a total description of cultural and social phenomena. And other new words is archaeology is study of prehistoric human. Remain materials used by prehistoric human. The human evolution is classified into 6 orders. First one is Australopithecines is a first stage between 4 millions and 2 millions years. Here, a mix of human 8 characteristics feature of provided. Homo habilis is a second stage between 2.3 and 1.4 millions years, and physically characteristics presence of big toe to hold tightly and less producing face. By using stone they make tools for hunting. Stage 3, Homo erectus, otherwise called as Java man, because the brain size is very smaller comparatively which we have now. They will live approximately 1.8 million years ago. Walked in a straight position, he had the knowledge of the fire. The next stage is Neanderthal between 1,30,000 and 40,000 years ago. They are not fully human. There were crude hunting skills were also poor, but we got evidence of burying the dead. Evidence are seen at Neanderthal in Germany. Are you clear, children? Very good. Fifth stage is Homo sapiens. Fifth stage is Homo sapiens. Very good. 3 lakh years ago, they were called as voice man. Modern human being hunting and gathering society still used crude stone implements they were moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. The final stage of the human revolution, we call it as Cro-Magnon or the modern human. 50,000 years ago in Eastern Africa and 40,000 years ago in West Asia and Southeastern Europe. In the beginning of the human life, used not only implements made of stones but also of bone. Their weapons included harpoons and spear throwers. For this, we found an evidence in France at Lascaux cave, and also they had a habitude to bury the dead. Radiocarbon dating was used to ascertain the period. It was found out that the footprint of humans they had discovered were about 3.5 million years ago. How the modern human has evolved. First one, human is erect position and walking on two legs happen much later. Second one, changes in thumb so that they can hold things tightly. Third one, development of brain. Homo sapiens was considered the major rule in the human evolution. The Homo sapiens migrated out of Eastern Africa, settled in different parts of the world. Their lifestyle also evolved and they made it suitable to the environment in which they lived. Based on the weather, climate, nature of the living place, their physique and complexion also different. These result in the formation of different races and human population also increase. Let me explain more details about the Homo sapiens now millions of years ago and ancestors led a nomadic life. That's all for the today's session. Dear children, I hope you all are understand this lesson clearly. Thank you children. Have a nice day.